guys into 2 boxes and I left London. This is all I'm living with. A suitcase, my bag, and me. Say I'll miss you, Auntie. Say I'll miss you, Auntie. I say I'll miss you, Auntie. Eh? Just open your cute eyes. Say I'll miss you, Auntie. No, she's just looking at us. Say Auntie, I'll miss you. Pepper soup. Pepper soup, guys. You know me, I'm always filming. Is this in town? This scent leaf, bah? My dad likes it. So guys, I'm literally moving out today. This is my face. Good morning, guys. Good morning. So basically, I've got one white bag and I've got seven bean bags. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've got stuffs in it. You can see these labels. I've got my makeup stuff in here. I've got clothes in there. I've got some fragile items as well, some clothes as well. So basically it's easier for me to just lift and unpack. Yeah, so that's it. I've got 3 Ghana must go back. So 1, 2, and then there's a large one just over there. Yeah, I've got 2 cartons just right here. Those are my shoes. 1 suitcase basically. I've got 1 bean bag for seating, and then we're just gonna go count the other bags. I've got 2 little bags that are in sack. Basically these are my fruit stuffs, and these are I think some fragile items like my cap and some other stuff. Okay, so I've got let's count the little leather bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I've got 9 of this, each with items inside. These are bags, that's oil, that's my pots, those are my toilet items, those are foodstuffs, and then there's a big shopping cart here with foodstuffs inside. Okay, so in here as well I've got some, this is like a bookshelf basically where my books are. Looks like this, ash. So I've just got 1 of these basically. Yeah. Okay guys, so yeah, see how it goes. It's strange how in 2 years I've acquired all this, like crazy. So here I've got 10. So this is like my one of my fragile beach bags. You can see it's written fragile in it. This is my massager. That's my blender, my hair dryer, my iron. I've got a processor. This is one of my laptop chargers. This is my toaster. Then I've got that's an insulated cup, and that's a very solid stainless pot. I haven't even opened it anyway. Yeah, so 2 bags of rice, 2 big bags of rice, and some malts, which is fine. I'll put it in a leather bag. Then we're gonna count the jacket. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So I've got 1 standing fan, and I've got 2 chairs as well. So like I said before, I've got a bean bag, my tripod stand. The mirror is not mine, I'm not going with it. The table, that's like a Nordic aesthetic table, and my fridge, that's my mini fridge over there. There's a small tiny box over there which has a bit of fragile items, so that's my fridge, one of my shoe boxes, suitcase, 2 cartons, 1, 2, 1, that's a protein shake. Yeah, when I start gymming, I start taking that. It's just a fragile box. 1 white bag, I think 7, where's my list? 7 bean bags, 1 bean bag, this one, this thing, my fan, 2 chairs, a mop, another broom. Basically 10 of these bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. One of this, one of the shopping carts, and then this big one. So yeah, that's it. My TV as well. Yeah. So everything has been cleaned. Everything has been cleared. Cleaned. Okay, this is where everything has been cleared and cleaned. These are the keys. That's the shelf. It's been cleared and cleaned. Cleared, cleaned. Mirror. Cleared and cleaned. Curtains cleaned and cleared. Mattress cleared and cleaned. Under the bed there's nothing, and that was in the room when I came in, so it's just over there. Yeah, come on. Portion of the fridge has been cleared. The fridge has been thoroughly cleaned. Yep, cleaned. Has been cleaned and cleaned. Okay, right guys, so that's where I've been living in London basically, and I'm so grateful to God. I'm so grateful to God for everything He has done. I'm grateful to Him, and this is a big move for me, leap of faith. Yeah, all right, off to the northern part, Great Britain, and I'll see you guys. Thank you. Bye. I'll miss you.
I'll miss you so too. I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
You need to come to visit Scotland.
Yeah. Right, so that's the key. I'm gonna leave this one here. That's to the outside. First drawer. I'm gonna lock the door and leave the key here. So light off. Bye. Locked, and this will be up here, just there. Yeah. So guys, this is where I used to stay in London. You can see the area. This is where I used to live in London, basically. So yeah, man, 15 minutes away from Heathrow Airport. Heathrow Airport is just around that side, just behind Heathrow Airport. So yeah, this is Maxwell Road, Cali. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the bus. I put my life into 2 boxes and I left London. This is all I'm living with. A suitcase, my bag, and me.
Also change here for London Underground. Exit here for London King's Cross and the British Library.
Oyster and contactless payments may only be used on certain routes stations. Please check the route maps by the entrance doors for full information.
The doors will open automatically at the next station.
Guys, I'm actually at King's Cross, St. Pancras, the gas station, yeah. I think it's on St. Pancras, basically. So hopefully I should be getting to King's Cross. But I remember actually switching trains the last time I came. Oh yeah, I think it should be that one, basically. Alright, I'll see you guys. Shabby look. So guys, this is the train station I'm using. I'm going to platform
1 for the 1403 LNER service to Leeds. Customers are reminded.
So that's the one going to Edinburgh. It's right there, 248. And it is platform.
The train at platform 7 is the 1406 LNER Zoom service to Lincoln Central.
That's the one I'm
Stevenage, Peterborough, Grantham, Newark Northgate, and Lincoln Central. This train is full of 5 coaches.
So guys, I got this from Wasabi. It's pretty nice. So this is where it comes basically. It's got a little. Yeah, that's what it is. Nice.
Will passengers intending to travel on this service please join the train now, as it is ready to leave. Platform 6 for
The underground one does not have anything. I heard. The area, much traffic. There's not too much. Okay, so you come into my house. There's a light here. Okay, it's coming on. Then the sitting room. Oh, the rug is here. The light. The dining table set. Let's go into the kitchen. Ah, we left the fridge. to worry about things then. Oh, bless him. Thank you so much. Yep. This is the kitchen area as well. So, yeah. That's about everything, basically. And then the bathroom. Yeah. So, I think the bathroom's just about. Yep. Yep. So, guys, so for a split second I thought this is London. I know. Oh, like you can't really see. Baby, open it now. Why is it like this?